Have you ever dreamed of a place where nature feels truly alive? I want to take you to a country that feels like it was pulled right out of a storybook. That place is Norway. It is a land of incredible beauty, where mountains meet the sea in the most dramatic way. The air here feels so crisp and clean. You can feel the history and the magic all around you. From the deep blue waters of its famous fjords to the charming villages nestled in green valleys, Norway has a special kind of welcome. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to breathe, and to simply be amazed by the world around you. The first thing you will notice is the landscape. It is absolutely stunning. Imagine sailing through a fjord with majestic cliffs rising thousands of feet on either side. Waterfalls cascade down the rocks, creating a gentle mist in the air. This is a common sight in Norway, but it never stops feeling extraordinary. The country has a very long coastline, dotted with thousands of islands. Each one has its own unique character. Whether you are hiking on a coastal trail or just looking out the window of a train, the scenery is always the star of the show. It's a powerful reminder of how beautiful our planet can be. But Norway is more than just its spectacular views. It is a country with a rich and fascinating culture. You can feel the connection to its Viking past and its seafaring traditions everywhere you go. The people of Norway have a deep respect for nature, and this is reflected in their way of life. They have a concept called friluftsliv, which means open-air living. It's all about spending time outdoors and enjoying the natural world. This philosophy is contagious. You will find yourself wanting to get outside and explore, to walk the trails and to breathe the fresh Nordic air. It's a wonderful way to connect with the place and its people. For me, travel is all about connection. It's about connecting with new places, new cultures, and new experiences. Norway offers this in so many ways. It's a destination that appeals to both the adventurer and the person seeking peace and quiet. You can find thrilling activities, like kayaking in the fjords or skiing in the mountains. Or you can find quiet moments, like sitting by a fire in a cozy cabin or watching the sun set over the sea. It's a country of wonderful contrasts, and that is what makes it such a special place to love. It truly has something for everyone who visits. Let's talk about the cities. They are just as charming as the countryside. Oslo, the capital, is a vibrant and modern city. It is filled with amazing museums, world-class restaurants, and beautiful parks. You can walk along the harbor and see the stunning opera house, which looks like an iceberg rising from the water. Then there is Bergen, with its famous Bryggen Wharf. The colorful wooden houses along the waterfront are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It feels like you are stepping back in time. Walking through its narrow alleyways is an experience you won't forget. These cities are gateways to the rest of the country's wonders. Beyond the big cities, there are so many activities to fill your days. If you love adventure, Norway is your playground. You can go hiking on countless trails that offer breathtaking views. The trails range from easy walks to challenging mountain climbs. In the summer, you can go kayaking on the calm waters of the fjords. You can even go fishing for your own dinner. In the winter, the country transforms into a snowy paradise. It's a fantastic place for skiing, snowboarding, and even dog sledding. Imagine gliding through a silent, snowy forest pulled by a team of eager dogs. It's a truly magical experience. For a different kind of adventure, I recommend taking a journey on one of Norway's scenic train routes. The Flam Railway is one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world. It takes you from the high mountains down to the edge of a fjord. The views from the window are simply spectacular. You will see deep ravines, cascading waterfalls, and tiny farms clinging to the mountainsides. Another amazing trip is the Hurtigruten coastal ferry. It's often called the world's most beautiful sea voyage. It sails from Bergen in the south to Kirkenes in the far north, stopping at 34 ports along the way. Of course, a trip to Norway is also about enjoying the simple pleasures. It's about tasting the local food, like fresh salmon and delicious waffles with brown cheese. It's about talking to the friendly local people and learning about their lives. It's about finding a cozy cafe to warm up with a cup of hot chocolate after a day of exploring. These are the moments that create the best travel memories. They are the small details that make a place feel like home, even when you are thousands of miles away. Norway is full of these wonderful, heartwarming moments that you will cherish forever. Now let's talk about the main event, the reason many people dream of visiting Norway in the winter. I am talking about the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. Seeing this natural wonder is one of the most incredible experiences you can have. Imagine standing under a dark starry sky when suddenly streaks of green, pink, and purple light begin to dance above you. It is a silent, beautiful, and almost spiritual show. The lights move and shimmer, sometimes like a flowing river, and other times like a waving curtain. It's a moment that will truly take your breath away and stay with you for a lifetime. So, what exactly are the Northern Lights? They are a natural light display in the sky, and there is some amazing science behind them. It all starts with the sun. The sun sends out a constant stream of electrically charged particles, which is called the solar wind. When these particles travel through space and reach our planet, they are drawn toward the magnetic north and south poles. As they enter Earth's atmosphere, they collide with gas particles like oxygen and nitrogen. These collisions release energy in the form of light, creating the beautiful colors we see as the aurora. It's like a giant cosmic light show created by the sun and our planet. To see the Northern Lights in Norway, you need to head north, way above the Arctic Circle. Places like Tromsø, Alta, and the Lofoten Islands are some of the best spots in the world for aurora viewing. The best time to go is during the winter months, from late September to late March. This is when the nights are long and dark, which gives you the best chance of seeing the lights. Many companies offer Northern Lights tours. These tours are led by experienced guides who know the best places to go, away from the city lights. They often take you out into the wilderness for a truly immersive experience. On a typical tour, you might travel by bus, snowmobile, or even a reindeer sled to a dark viewing spot. The guides will often build a campfire to keep you warm. You can enjoy hot drinks and snacks while you wait for the show to begin. They will tell you stories about the local culture and the myths surrounding the lights. When the aurora finally appears, everyone gets quiet. You just stand there in awe, watching the sky come alive. The guides can also help you take amazing photos, so you can capture the memory. It's an entire experience, not just a sightseeing stop. It's an adventure you share with fellow travelers under the Arctic sky. Seeing the Northern Lights is just one part of an unforgettable winter trip to Norway. The region is a winter wonderland with so many other fun things to do. You can try your hand at dog sledding, which is an exhilarating way to explore the snowy landscapes. You can also visit a Sami camp and learn about the indigenous people of the north. You can feed their reindeer and listen to their traditional songs, called joaks. For those who love the sea, you can go on a whale-watching tour to see majestic orcas and humpback whales in the fjords. Every day offers a new adventure. After a day full of excitement, there is nothing better than relaxing. Norway is a perfect place for that, too. You can find cozy cabins with fireplaces where you can curl up with a good book and a warm drink. Many hotels have saunas, which are perfect for warming up after being out in the cold. It's a wonderful way to relax your muscles and your mind. The combination of thrilling adventure during the day and peaceful relaxation at night is what makes a trip to Arctic Norway so special. It's a journey that recharges your body and your spirit. Norway is a destination that truly has it all. It has some of the most dramatic and beautiful scenery on Earth. It has vibrant cities and charming villages. It offers incredible adventures and opportunities for quiet reflection. And of course, it has the magical, unforgettable dance of the Northern Lights. It's a place that will capture your imagination and your heart. Whether you are an experienced traveler or planning your first big trip, Norway is a place that will welcome you and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. It is a place to love. I hope this has inspired you to think about your own Norwegian adventure. There is so much more to discover and explore. If you enjoyed this journey with me, I encourage you to learn more. And if you want to see more places to love and get more travel ideas, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and join our community of fellow travelers. There is a whole world out there waiting for us to explore it, one amazing place at a time. So where should we go next?